Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normally see shall never and see. We have another one here. I don't really want to talk too much. I wanted to listen, and I'll be right back.
How would you be shamelessly calling out terrorists for doing a job you are supposed to do, and you cannot do it? And then the enemies you are confronting on your behalf will be saying, kill him, kill them. Do you know how many people, how many policemen that have been killed in these past few days in Anambra and in Imo? Do you know how many people that have been killed in these past days? No one of our person was killed. They did not attack any of our FOB. None of our page was attacked because they know us. Jesus. They God not enter them. They know us. Our vehicles drive past, they don't engage us. Because they know say these people, they are oh no. Then they know say these people, they are oh no. They engage us. They don't engage us. They drive for Imo, then see us. They don't engage us. They know us. Black and black. They know us. Now black and black, then they call us everywhere. And that is why you must keep yourself clean. Nobody say you go take money for 2 months, 3 months, and that's the end of it. The next thing we put inside bus, how you go village. You know. Maintain your sanctity, maintain your holiness, maintain your purity. There is nowhere where we no go conquer. When we tell them, say, if na Niger, anywhere, call us, we go there, go conquer. And we go conquer, come back. Nowhere where we no go conquer. And God has been merciful to us. Even though some of us get magnet for their answer, God has been merciful. Then they see and they confirm. One way. Some say Abuja, some say Kano, some say Sokoto, we dey go.
One way. Some say Abuja, some say Kano, some say Sokoto, we dey go.
Kimi Fa. Wherever they are, call us, we'll go and meet them. Whether na Borono, whether na Yobe, whether na Sokoto, Zamfara, or Niger, or Kaduna, or Katsina, or whether na for Abuja, or whether na for Anambra, whether na for Imo, just call us. Eh?
Yes, sir. Anywhere all over the world.
Yes, sir. Anywhere you call us, we will go there.
I tell you.
Yes, Rema Oyibo, Remaso Oyibo. Yeah, Oyibo, Remaso Oyibo. Waye Chineda. Oyibo, Remaso Oyibo. Oyibo, Remaso Oyibo. Waye Chineda. Yes, Oyibo, Remaso Oyibo. Waye Chineda. Yes. Yeah, Oyibo, yes, Oyibo. What is our way Chinebia? Yes, now, Crotaimbo in the Mokawa.
Yes, sir.
Gonna buy my dear meal. Gonna buy my dear meal. You're gonna buy my dear meal. You're gonna buy my dear meal. Lady Jabo, up Abuja. After 3 times, before you go say, gonna buy my baby. Boru, this is not carry a mosquito light. Come infect my tongue. You gonna buy my baby. Gonna buy my baby. Gonna buy my baby. Ye di Jabo up Abuja man. Gonna buy my baby. Gonna buy my baby. Ye di Jabo up Abuja man. Gonna buy my baby. Gonna buy my baby. Gonna buy my baby. Ye di Jabo up Abuja man. To tell people they do all those evil things against our people. They look. A young man, not the most patient man with people. But in reaction, strong pass tsunami. A young man reaction, strong pass tsunami. He's the most patient man. Then say when water come, our brain go. When water go, our brain go. When water come, our brain go. How can they call us? Because we are patient. We can endure more than other people can endure. Do you know what it takes to now? Niger Delta Ministry, which was one of the 7-point agenda brought by Yaradua. President Ahmed Bola Tinubu has appointed and appointed development commission with which person's money? With resources from where? And there is no development commission for South. We are patient. We are pushing the people and daring them and pushing them and daring them and finding what can they do, what can they do. They will do something one day. Whoever your advisor is that is telling you that they are the people, what can they do? Our fathers were not, some of us as younger people had come up to say that our fathers formed alliance with the North. They were not wrong after all. The North is very far away. They are not in Ondo State with us. They are not in Rivers State with us. So it is those who are close to us that are always struggling to undo us. For Ijaw people in the South, today I feel that I apologize to our fathers like Dababri, like Medford Okilo, that they were not wrong in forming alliance with the North. And as young men, we will now start that same alliance now. As I am today, from today, I will walk and form alliance with the North and to crush all of the opposition. Because those who hate us, whatever we do for them does not mean anything to them. Whatever Ijaw people do to them does not mean anything to them. We go all over Ijaw land. We will take this message that it's only the Northerners that can work with the Ijaw people. We cannot work with the Yoruba people. They are betrayers to us. We risked our life, voted, did everything. This is what we get. Our governor that is in Rivers State, you are struggling with an Igbo man who does not know where he comes from. It's Upper Bonwan to remove him. And now you remove what we use our blood and sweat to get, Niger Delta Ministry. We will take this message to every nook and cranny of Ijaw land.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We will tell them, our enemies are here with us. The North is not our enemy. Tell them, the North is not our enemy. And I, who spearheaded this movement to fight the North, I regret it today. When they say the waiting elders they see sitting down, young man go see whether they stand up, they see. Yes, I have seen it now. And the consequences will be lasting. They will see the job. They will see the job. They say the North is weakened. We will strengthen the North. An enemy of your enemy is your friend.
Ma.
We did not look for Yoruba people's enmity. We voted for them. I personally, I sacrificed everything for them. But since they have chosen us as enemies, we will choose them as our enemies too. Yes. Passenger took what belonged to us through Land Use Act. Ahmed Bola Tinubu is taking what we fought for and was given to us by the North, by Yar'Adua and other Northerners. It was Tafawa Balewa who gave us Niger Delta Basin Authority. Through the instrumentality of the Wakings Commission, they came and they created river basin in all their gutters. Every gutter in Yoruba land became river basin. Every gutter in the north became river basin. Every gutter in Igbo land became river basin. Like when even the smallest river, Asari Toru, is bigger than all the rivers in their place. Now they gave NDDC. They came and polluted it and reduced it to nothing. And the ministry given to us has been taken away from us. They will see the backlash of it.
Asawana!
This one Nigeria, we are all going to maintain it. And this privilege they had, they will never have it again.
Asawana! Hey, son! Yeah.
This privilege that they had, that all of us struggle, and thinking that we are from the south, we are the same, that we gave them, they will never have it again.
Mama! Mama!
They will never have it again. We work with the North. We work with the most extreme elements in the North, not moderate. We will inflict the same pain that they're inflicting on us, on them. When somebody is ungrateful, somebody is a betrayer, you must tell him you're a betrayer and you're ungrateful. There's a limit to what you can do to people. None of us is going to fight anything. We are not leaving Nigeria. We'll be in Nigeria together. The job people are not leaving Nigeria anywhere. We'll be in this Nigeria and live and see each other eyeball to eyeball inside it. He that is down need fear no fall. When reactionary element takes over a government, when haters takes over a government, after people had made painful sacrifices, spend their money, put their life, their reputation, their everything online, what you pay them back with is ingratitude and betrayal. As you are singing, two by two, from village to village in Ijoland, as you started IYZ, that's what we are going to comment. You go now. Yes, we are waiting for the Northerners to come. We are ready to work with them. Yes. If you want to make a change, the best thing you do in a democracy is to call town hall meeting to discuss, interface with the people. Who did you consult? You think that we are nobody, so you can take any decision you like. The consequences of that decision, will be seen. We have told them, leave Fubre alone. We never finish that one. The next thing, then slam us and another Delta minutes. Okay, God be.
Oh, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. I still remain your one and only Progress, the analyst that bring all the update to you back to back. Please share this video and subscribe if you haven't. See you and bye-bye.